let's do it. I have the following matter. Oh, somebody called prosecutor.
I just called her.
Oh, you did? Okay, wonderful. I have case number 1904477-701. Ma'am, appearances first.
Good morning, Your Honor. Herman Griffin appearing on behalf of Ms. Beard, P77169. Ms. Beard, state your full name for the record.
And y'all enjoy Beard.
All right, good morning, Ms. Beard. And for our specialty court?
Matthew Lorenz, case manager for 36th District Court.
All right, very good. And so, Mr. Lorenz, I'm sorry, Mr. Lorenz, I'm gonna have you address the court as to why Ms. Beard is appearing before me at the Detroit Detention Center.
Your Honor, a warrant was requested because we have received a phone call from her transitional housing of Lake Ridge Ministries. She was found to have been driving without a valid.
Hold on, Mr. Lorenz. Are you able to hear Ms. Wilson? Oh, you're muted. Because there's a lot of background noise. I didn't hear you.
I can hear.
Okay, wonderful. I'm having a little hard time. I know it's a little noisy, but Ms. Beard, are you able to hear Mr. Lorenz?
He's in and out.
He's in and out. Mr. Lorenz, I don't think anybody's used that mic this morning. If you could talk right in that mic for me, that would be great. All right, go ahead, Mr. Lorenz.
So I received a phone call from Lake Ridge Ministries that Ms. Beard was driving without a valid license, and she hit two parked cars at the facility. When they were talking to her, I requested a alcohol and urine screen. She then left the facility, and no one knew where she was going. After several attempts, we were able to make contact with her, and Ms. Beard did admit to drinking a half pint of vodka. She did return to the facility, and she was able to complete both screens. They were sent to the lab. The only thing I have right now is the presumptive positive of alcohol in her system, and now I'm awaiting the lab results. So she did admit drinking. Here we go, man. You got people involved.
All right, we having a hard time over here with the background noise at the DDC.
You said it's too loud.
No, don't be telling them that, Miss Beard. I need them to be my friend.
I'm sorry.
All right. Mr. Lorenz, were you finished?
Those are the facts of why we were here, Your Honor. And that she was picked up at the facility of Lake Ridge Ministries, where she was reported to have been heavily intoxicated and went to sleep, and that's when the officer picked her up and brought her to the DDC.
All right. Mr. Griffin, what do you want to tell me? We've got a real issue here. First of all, I want to say that I'm glad, Ms. Beard, you're safe, that nobody was hurt. But we've got some real issues. We've got some real issues going on. Wouldn't you agree with me?
Yeah, I made some real bad choices here.
Yeah. We need to get you back on track, Ms. Beard. We need to get you back on track, but you're gonna have to get on track my way. You're gonna have to get on track my way. That's just the bottom line. Let me hear from Mr. Griffin. Oh, you're muted, Mr. Griffin.
Okay, and Your Honor, this is scheduled for the arraignment. Is that correct, Your Honor? This is the arraignment? Is this the arraignment?
Yes.
Okay, so
yes, and as far as, I mean, yes, it is.
So, client waives formal reading of the arraignment. Your Honor, we would ask that the court set this for, I guess, pre-trial is Wednesday. Is this Wednesday, Tuesday?
So what I would do, Mr. Griffin, is I'm having a hard time hearing. But what I would do, Mr. Griffin, is I'm inclined, because I believe Miss Beard had 3 to 5 days of jail time held in abeyance. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, for the hearing on October 28th.
From October, that was her sanction. And so she has, you know, she's in jail. She had a positive alcohol screen. We don't know what else is going to show up in her system. I don't know, but the alcohol, she wasn't supposed to have it. She doesn't have a driver's license. She was driving a motor vehicle. She damaged some property. And so, Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna do those, it's probably gonna end up being 5 days at the Wayne County Jail to get her assessed on the 1-800 number to get her into inpatient treatment.
Understood, Your Honor. We just want the court to know also, I believe that Ms. Branch indicated to me that Ms. Beard did lose her job and was dealing with, I guess, a crisis, personal crisis in terms of relationship issues, not getting into that over, you know, in open court. The other thing is, in terms of, we understand that these are violations regarding the specialty court program, but also in terms of new charges, we would still just ask the court to enter a not guilty plea for the new charges.
Okay. And so I don't believe that she has not been charged yet because she's in specialty court. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep her there until Wednesday, or was it Wednesday?
Wednesday, Your Honor, at 9:30 is when the court reconvenes for specialty.
All right. And then while she's going over to the Wayne County Jail, she will get on the 1-800 number. Mr. Lorenz, Ms. Taylor, Ms. Branch coordinate that to get her on the 1-800 number. Her mid will be marked specialty court so that they know that, you know, why she's there. And then Miss Beard, when you get on that 1-800 number, you need to be honest about what's going on, okay? So that you can get the help that you need, because I don't think you just need to be in jail indefinitely. So when you get on that 1-800 number, you need to tell the truth, okay?
How long do I have to be here, Your Honor?
You're gonna be there until Wednesday. Until Wednesday. And then you're going to be released to inpatient treatment. Yes, ma'am. Okay?
Your Honor.
Is there a specific place that I have to go, or?
They're gonna tell you what you need to do. We're gonna send in the paperwork that you're gonna go to the Wayne County Jail, and then your next court date is going to be Wednesday of next week, and Wednesday is the 20th of January at 9:30 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay?
How long do I have to stay in treatment?
Ms. Beard, I don't even know that right now, but you're gonna stay as long as it takes. That's the only answer I have for you. You're going to stay as long as it takes. Mr. Griffin, were you trying to say something?
Well, only that I was just asking Ms. Beard, does she understand? Ms. Beard, again, you're going to be there in custody until Wednesday, and then transfer to the inpatient facility after that. The court has not determined the length of time you will be in the inpatient facility. Do you understand all that, Ms. Beard?
Yeah, is there a facility my children can go to, or no?
Ms. Beard, I'm gonna take the recommendation of the professionals. Probably not, though. I'm just gonna be honest with you. You need to work on you. You need to work on you, Ms. Beard, so that when you get with your children, when you're able to be employed, you will have some consistency and be able to maintain a stable environment for them, okay? All right, Mr. Lorenz, was there something, or Ms. Walker, prosecutor? No, we're good. She's going to stay until Wednesday. She's gonna get on the 1-800 number, and she's gonna go to inpatient treatment, and she will be there as long as she needs to be.
Your Honor, is the court gonna allow her to, if approved, to go to residential treatment prior to Wednesday? Is the court gonna allow her to go to residential treatment?
Absolutely. Is that your recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor, and my recommendation would be that she be put on a alcohol screen tether with the perimeter that we talked about from house arrest.
All right, very good. Mr. Griffin and Ms. Beard, I want to make sure you hear that you heard the recommendation from Mr. Lorenz. Mr. Lorenz indicated that when you get on that 1-800 number, if they can get you into residential treatment earlier than Wednesday, he asked me would I be willing to release you to go to residential with an alcohol tether and a GPS for perimeter. And I indicated to him, yes, I would, because I believe that you need to be in treatment and not just in jail. And so do you understand that, Ms. Beard?
Yeah, can I call him today?
You can, but you're not going today. I know you're not going to inpatient treatment today, but call him today, okay? Because Monday is a holiday. So definitely get on and be honest, because if it's not inpatient treatment, you're gonna sit right there until I see you Wednesday.
But
Okay.
are they going to let me use call?
What?
I'm sorry, say that again.
Are the officers gonna let me call?
They're gonna let her call.
When you get over to the Wayne County Jail, they certainly will. And Ms. Branch and Mr. Lorenz will be in touch with our contact there to get the deputy there to get you on the 1-800 number, okay?
Okay.
All right, very good. If no other questions for me, Ms. Drew, make sure her paperwork is stamped, specialty court,
No.
and then.
I do have a question, I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
What am I supposed to do with my things at Lake Ridge?
Mr. Lorenz will make contact with Mr. Williams at Lake Ridge and make sure that your things are secured, okay?
My purse is there as well.
All right, and maybe, I don't know if we could get someone from Lake Ridge to drop her purse off at the jail to put with her belongings. I don't know how that works, I really don't, but we'll inquire. Mr. Lorenz will inquire, okay?
Thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. All right, come on, Ms. Beard, let's get back on track and let's get it back on track for good, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Griffin, for appearing. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
The prosecuting attorney, thank you. And that ends the docket. Yes, you were to tell me, officer, where we need to send the paperwork?
Yes, ma'am. That's blockit d@michigan.gov, BLOCKETT, as in dog, @michigan.gov.
All right, I'm gonna do it one more time to make sure I got it. All right, I have B as in boy, L, O, C as in Charlie, K, D as in dog, T as in Tom, T as in Tom, D as in dog, at Michigan, I've spelled Michigan out, .gov, is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Oh, I did all of that and I'm wrong? Come on, let's get it right.
Here we go, Judge Holmes. Blockit, BLOCKETT@michigan.gov.
All right, I'm gonna do it again. Let's see if I can get it right. Let's see if my mama wasted her money at Dillon University. I have B as in boy, L, O, C as in Charlie, K, E as in elephant, T as in Tom, T as in Tom, D as in dog, at michigan.gov.
Yeah, there we go. Thank you, Your Honor.
There you go. There you go. We got it right. All right. Thank you so much. We'll get that paperwork over to you as soon as possible.
Thank you. Judge Holmes, can I get your clerk's contact number so when we go through this again, I can call directly to her like last time and we can get this thing efficiently as possible?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Here we go. It's 313 965
965
228. Is it 0?
Yes.
2280.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you guys for your patience and your assistance.
Thank you